Greetings, everyone. This is the safety protocols and procedures, evacuation plans and locations in the case of a severe weather warning in the area. And this is for the first floor, the third floor of the upper building. And the reason it's for those two is because we're trying to keep the same patterns as the fire drill so that the students are somewhat consistent in at least where they would be. And so for the first floor, if you hear on the intercom and or the phone system that we are in a severe weather warning, teachers, please escort your students to their locations. This would be where you would take. If you're an elementary teacher, so you're in the elementary wing here, these classrooms, you will just be bringing your students outside and finding a wall to sit against. So if you're in these classrooms here, you can use this wall space, a little bit of that wall space, and then just start lining them up along these walls. Not along the glass, we'll keep them away from that, but they should be able to fit along these wall spaces on both sides of the hallway. That's if you are an elementary teacher. If you are someone who teaches in the third floor, so could be high school, perhaps a middle school class, those students would come down like they would for the fire drill, come down these main steps. Then they will not be in this area. This is not a safe place, but they will be down this hallway. So they will be seated on both sides of the hallway. And you could treat the evacuation the same way. If they come down the left side of the stairs, they could be on this side of the hallway. If they come down the right side, they could be on this side. We want to try and keep them clear of the main doors here. So try to keep them maybe starting at roughly where this fire extinguisher is, but then down those two sides. That would be the evacuation plan and the location in the case of severe weather in our area for the Divine Savior Academy Santa Campus's first floor and third floor.